If you're selling a home in the Bay Area and an offer comes in, your first instinct might be to ask one question: can we get more? And while that's a reasonable question, I've seen sellers make one costly mistake over and over again. They focus on what they might gain and completely overlook what they could lose. Before you reject an offer, counter an offer, or decide to wait for something better, watch this video. My name is Ray Marquez. I've been helping Bay Area homeowners buy and sell real estate since 2007. And one thing I've learned is that some of the most expensive decisions sellers make don't happen before the offer comes in. They happen after. The offer most sellers dream about doesn't exist. Many sellers are waiting for the perfect offer, the highest price, no contingencies, large down payment, flexible timeline, no repairs, quick close. The reality, the perfect offer rarely exists. Every offer has strengths, every offer has weaknesses. The question isn't whether the offer is perfect. The question is whether it's the best opportunity available today. Why sellers get emotional about offers. Offers are emotional. You spent years in the home. You've invested money. You've built memories. And when an offer comes in lower than you hope, it can feel personal. But buyers aren't evaluating your memories. They're evaluating value. The market doesn't care what we hope the home is worth. The market tells us what buyers are willing to pay. The most dangerous question sellers ask is, what if we wait? Because sometimes waiting works, but many times sellers assume another buyer is right around the corner. What they don't realize is that the buyer sitting in front of them may have been the strongest buyer in the entire pool. The buyer you lose may never come back. This is something many sellers underestimate. Once a buyer moves on emotionally, they're usually gone. They start looking elsewhere. They write offers on other homes. And by the time the seller circles back, that opportunity is gone. The highest offer isn't always the best offer. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is focusing entirely on price. Price matters, but terms matter too. A low offer with stronger terms may actually put more money in your pocket than a higher offer that falls apart. What I tell sellers today: when reviewing offers, I encourage sellers to look at price, financing strength, contingencies, timeline, buyer motivation, overall likelihood of closing, because a signed contract isn't the goal, a successful closing is. Before you reject an offer, step back and ask, am I making a business decision or an emotional one? That question alone can save you a tremendous amount of money and stress. If you're thinking about selling and want help understanding how to evaluate offers in today's Bay Area market, I'm always happy to help. No pressure, just clarity. And if you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe for more Bay Area real estate insights. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.